Hi everybody, Dr. Kerry. Today, the Lunch and Learn will be on somebody who's new to chiropractic, maybe you're new to the clinic. Doing adjustments helps to realign the spine, improve your posture, increase the function of the joints, but temporarily it can cause some soreness of the muscles, and we're going to talk about that today. It's one of the most popular videos. I'm going to update the science behind do to help yourself if you have sore muscles. So I hope you can join us, and if you miss it, you can use the same link to watch the recording of the YouTube live. So I'll see you at 12 noon, about an hour and a half, on YouTube for our live Lunch and Learn webinar on why muscles are sore after chiropractic adjustments.